So the value of the car is given by this formula: 20,000 minus 250t. 1250t, where t is in age of the car in years. So if t is 0, I put a 0 in for t. What is my output? What's the value of the car? 20,000. It's what you initially paid for it. If t is 2, so after 2 years, this is years. What is the value of the car? Well, we go 20,000 minus 1250. What's 2 times 12? It's 2,500, which gives me $17,500. Is that what you're trying to say? Right. So $17,500. How much is it worth after 4 years? Please calculate that. There's a pattern. He sees the pattern. That's okay. Just plug it. After 6 years, how much is it worth? Whoever said that, good on you. $12,500. Does anybody see the? It doesn't matter if you see the pattern. Does anybody see the pattern? Every 2 years, it goes down by $2,500. Okay, we are going to plot this. So, on this graph here, see if I can shrink it so it fits. Okay, 0, this is our time here on the x-axis. This is the value here on the y-axis. At 0, it's worth $20,000. So 0, we are at 20,000. There's our first point. After 2 years, each line at the bottom is 2, or is 1, sorry. So 2 lines is 2 years. We're at 17,500, which is right there. After 4 years, we are at 15. And after 6 years, 1250. All right, let's draw a line. See if we can get this right. It's hard to draw lines on a whoa. I'm just drawing this freehand. Wow. That is a horrendous line, people. That is supposed to be a straight line. That is horrendous. But we'll go with it. Okay. Now, we are going to answer some questions here. What does the ordered pair 0 and 20,000 represent? Yeah, how much you paid for the car. I understood though. How much you paid, or Lisa paid. Okay. We are using the graph, even though my graph is horrendous, to estimate the t-intercept. The t-intercept, because it's along the bottom here, is like the x-intercept, right? T represents time, which is on the x-axis here, okay? So where does the line hit the x-axis on my graph? 16, right there, right? What does that represent? What's its value at that point? $0. Is this a realistic thing? No, it's not. But we're gonna. So 16 years represents $0 value. We know that's not realistic. The graph would be a curve normally, but we're not going to worry about that. Okay. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. Okay, when will the car be worth $5,000? This is F. So go to $5,000 on the value right there. Go across till you hit the graph, and then go down. No, my graph is not accurate at all. So I'm going to say approximately, if we talked about the wavy equal sign before, right? Okay, wavy equal sign is approximately, I'm going to say my graph says 13, but my graph is horrendous. It's okay. This is why we don't use the graph. I'll show you how you would normally do it. All right. So 13 years. Okay. Let's verify this using the formula. So where's our formula? Way up there. Here's our formula. V is equal to 20,000 minus 1250t. Okay. They're saying, when is the car worth $5,000? So where do I put the 5,000? In for V or T? V, because it's the value of the car, right? So I put 5,000 there. Now, how do I solve for time? This is the algebra part of this. Anybody have any idea? Solving for t, time. Sorry? No. What is the value of t? We're solving for t. No. We're using the formula to solve for that. Tell me what to do. Write the correct numbers, but yeah. You need to subtract the 20,000 from this side. And then subtract it from this side. 5,000 minus 20,000 is not 3,000. It's negative 15,000. Hey, guys. Hey. I got negative 15,000 is equal to negative 1250t. How do I get t by itself? Divide by negative 1250. So those cancel. What does a negative divided by a negative equal? Positive. So I get 12 is equal to t. That's the actual answer. Your graph, if the graph was drawn correctly, it would say 12. Not right. Okay. So it should be 12. All right. So at 12 years, it's worth $5,000 according to this formula. What's the original value of the car? 20,000. It depreciates. Do we know what depreciates means? Goes down in value by how much per year? This amount. 12,500 per year, and it has no value after 16 years. All right. Okay. Let's do question number 4, please. It's not a card one.